Me?
Yeah, squeeze the crimpers.
Oh. Squeeze.
Now, pull it off. There you go. Now the wire's stripped out.
Ooh, naked wires.
So now we're going to take the butt connector on the floor.
Ooh, butt connector.
So now we got to crimp it. So get those pliers, yep. And see where one's got a tooth right there on the end?
This?
There's a tooth and a notch. Yep.
That one with
that right there. The one tooth.
The little block sticking out.
So go right. Scrimp. Nope, almost. Right next to it. Right there. Squeeze as hard as you can.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, hold on.
Wow.
Okay, now go. Same spot. Nope. Nope, almost.
Oh, I see. There?
Yep, squeeze as hard as you can. Let's see if it... Nope, not quite. All right, hold the phone. These ones take a lot of effort, and these aren't really the greatest crimpers.
Ooh.
So it makes like an indent.
Oh, a little tooth mark.
Yeah. So now we get the heat shrink.
Oh, are you gonna...
Now we're gonna heat it up. We're not gonna use a lighter though. We're gonna use something else.
Are you gonna weld it?
Nope.
Oh, good. Good.
Okay. So you wanna do it?
No.
You sure?
I just started the video.
That's why they call it heat shrink. See it? Watch it.
I'm watching it.
See it shrinking?
I see. Oh, there it is. There it's going. Shrinking. I can barely see.
There you go. Now you can see it shrinking.
Oh, there we go. It's shrinking.
And that seals the connection. So water can't get in there.
Oh. Is the little red cylinder thingy waterproof?
What's the red cylinder thingy?
The thing you're
This?
shrinking.
This
yeah.
is, yeah, that's waterproof. Yeah.
Like my pink jacket?
No, this is more waterproof than the pink jacket.
Oh, wow. Most waterproofy thing on Earth?
No.
Ah.
Okay, that's it.
Done.
Now, go hit the horn.
Horn?
Go hit the horn. Go and, oh, wait, it won't work yet.
Why?
Because, okay, go hit the horn.
Oh, yay! Oh, the toolbox. I got it. I got it. Okay, that was heavy. Hit the actual horn.
Yep, hit the horn.